Madsen's Custom Cabinets was started in 1961 by my father. It was a small cabinet company. Employed about 6 people. My father's goals and ambition for building a business were for his ability to practice his craft. I learned the trade so that I could practice business. In 1983, we realized we weren't getting anywhere. We were losing money, and I think around 1988 we had to make a decision. Either we're going to shut the company down or change the way we did business. In the past, all our data was handwritten, pencil. We would do a drawing, we would go down to the shop floor, the cabinet maker would create a cutting list and produce his parts. Now what happens, we do what we call upfront engineering. We try and do all of our engineering and programming in the office before it hits the floor. We will then extract information from the drawing, create machining codes that we download directly to our saws and our machining centers. We want to have one data set. On the shop floor, the cabinet maker is working directly from the engineer's AutoCAD drawing. If there's any changes being done to the drawing at any given time, he's working with it live. In the past, a change was a manual drafting process back and forth. You ran the risk of multiple data sets and crossover problems. Now the cabinet maker can focus on not what is the product he's building, but on the parts he's working on to make them as efficiently as possible, and can raise his quality because he has more time to work on the product. I can see the enthusiasm on our shop floor as well. As we're implementing changes and people are seeing them as a very positive change, we're getting a lot more dialogue back from the shop floor and a lot more interest, which is fun. Pricing in our industry hasn't really gone up much since the 90s, but efficiencies have. We've probably had an increased output of about 60%. And we've just implemented a new system where we're using nested-based routing, and we're able to get at least another 12 to 15% better yields out of our sheet stock at this point in time. And this is all a result of implementing technology. In the past, I used to have the mindset that we can't use this technology because we're doing too small of product runs. And we changed that thought process and realized because we're doing small batch product runs, we can implement the technology that'll help us. It's given us a bottom line that's positive even through negative economic times, and it's made us very, very competitive in the marketplace. I'm going to comfortably say we're one of the industry leaders.